welcome back. So today's video is a little bit of a different video. This is my dad here in his Yeti costume. If you guys didn't see the birthday cake video that I made for my dad, is it your hobby? Is it your hobby?
It's my dedication.
He has an account on Instagram. It's called Yeti of Toronto. I'll link it on the screen here. And he obviously has a Yeti costume. He dresses up in it. So I asked him if he wanted to do the Dad Does My ASOS haul video, and he requested that he dresses up as the Yeti for the video. So that's what we're doing today. You never bought my clothes ever, right? No.
Never.
No,
never,
it's
never.
always been Mom. And yeah, so.
Let's see what trouble we can get into here.
Oh my god. And obviously the dogs need to be part of this as well. So I don't know if you guys can see, but Treacle's on the floor and Paddington.
Hey, Treacle.
Terrified. Like, what is
terrified,
this?
Yeah.
So I think, my dad ordered, I think, duplicates of one order. So anything that's duplicates, should we do a giveaway or do you want to return it?
We can do it a giveaway to the right person, of course.
Yes, so we'll do a giveaway. So I don't even know what. Oh, come on! I don't even know what he's ordered. This was actually part of it because I asked him to order it. So there's another one of these sweaters. So either at the end of the video I'll give you all the details, and if you're the same size as me, then I'll give it to you. Paddington's this video is actually about me.
Yeah.
Hello, hello.
Hey.
Oh,
From one furry animal to another, yeah.
He's finding the holes in the mask.
Well, guess what? Guess what we have? First one out. This wasn't even planned.
Yeah. That worked out pretty well. But actually, I saw this because Zoella had it, so that's why I wanted to order it. So if you guys want a matching sweater with Zoella, that will be part of the giveaway.
Okay.
Okay.
I thought this would be nice for your trip to New York.
Okay. Oh, that's cute. What is it?
It's a dress.
Oh, that's so cute.
It's a tall, one of these narrow, long dresses.
No, it's a pencil skirt.
Empire dress?
No, it says it's a pencil skirt.
Pencil skirt.
Pencil skirts are good.
Okay.
Oh, that's actually really cute. Oh my god, you did good so far.
Well, 2 out of 2.
Yeah.
One being coached.
That's cute. Okay, so I'm gonna do a try on haul. I'll do this after he leaves because it'll be I don't know how to do it in the living room. It's where I try it on, people can see it on.
Okay.
But that's so cute. So it's is it houndstooth? Is that the pattern? I don't know. And it has little the buttons and Paddington. Do you want to wear it?
Yeah, the buttons match Paddington.
Yeah.
The Paddington buttons.
Yeah. And it's long. Oh, that's so cute. Big. Okay, good. So you got, is it 2 out of 2?
Yeah.
So far. Good job.
Okay. I don't remember what this is.
Okay, that's a bill.
Oh, okay. The bill? Oh, I don't want to see that.
Okay, what's this?
Oh.
Do you remember what this is?
Yeah, these are t-shirts.
Oh, okay. Oh, basic ones?
Basic ones. But yeah, basic ones. I thought.
I actually don't have any, so that's good. You're doing well.
Summer's here, and so I thought a couple of nice t-shirts.
Oh my god, I
They
actually don't
go
have
well
any.
with your tights and jeans. Yeah?
Yes! Oh my gosh, that's actually really good. Thank you. Okay, so all the other ones I've watched, mostly everybody hates, what the men in their leg brought them. So this is working really well. Yay!
Yeah, so I don't know if that was 2 items or 1 item, but we'll go for 3 out of 3 so
yeah,
far.
3 out of 3, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think I missed it. Yeah.
Okay.
So that would be just the 3rd item then.
Okay. And then I think this is the one where I took the sweater out because I wanted to wear this in New York. So I made a hole in the package and I pulled out the purple thing. So is this the same? Oh no, it's different. There's another color.
You're gonna have 1 dupe in here.
Okay.
First of all.
Thank you. This is exciting for you.
Here is our dupe.
Okay. Okay, good.
The pencil skirt.
Yeah. Yeah. Good. So if any of you guys like this pencil skirt, that was part of the giveaway as well.
Okay. There you go. Let me take the paperwork.
Okay. The drop waist smock dress.
Yeah, I thought it would be as in Big Apple. Big Apple. A little bit of color in your life would be good.
Oh my God. That's cute. I could wear that.
Yeah. Because it would go over a pair of tights, jeans, right?
Cute.
What do you think of the color?
Big.
Does the color work for you?
Yeah, the reddy orange I like, and I don't have enough of.
Okay.
So that's good. I'm curious how it'll fit. It looks. Is it supposed to be loose? It must be.
I think it is. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So is that 4 out of 4?
Yeah.
You're doing okay so far.
Yeah.
This could be my next job.
You buy me stuff.
That's it. Yeah. Oh, there's a downside to that. Yeah. I'll retract that. Okay, here you go.
Do you remember what this was?
This is like a summer dress.
Okay. It's not for you, little man. Where's Treacle? She's not as like involved as Paddington is.
I know.
Excuse me. He's like kind of open himself. Like the material. Oh, that's actually cute. Oh my god, you're doing really well.
Yeah.
You're doing really well.
What do you think? Yeah.
I like it.
Like a nice, like a hot summer days like we're having here in mid-June.
Yeah.
Late June.
That's really cute.
And narrow straps.
Yeah. That's so cute. Thank you. Oh my
I'm doing
god.
okay?
Yeah, you're doing really well.
All right. Well, don't expect a repeat of it next year.
That's okay.
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 There you go.
So, I like
This
so
is
far.
like a Perry Como sweater.
A what?
Or like a cardigan. Right?
What did you say?
Perry Como.
Who's that?
Ask your fathers.
Okay.
They'll know who Perry Como is.
Oh, that's so cute. I like that too. So it's just like a little simple cardigan.
Yes, it is. Yep.
That's so cute.
Yep. Could be worn with a black t-shirt as well.
Yeah.
Or just on its own.
Yeah, or like with jeans or something.
Yeah, yeah.
That's so cute. Good. Oh my god.
So is that, well, I'm losing count here, is that 6 out of 6?
I think so. Yes.
Wow. Okay.
Shoes. I didn't expect shoes. You need espadrilles. Oh, that's so cute. I actually don't have any in this style. So.
I kind of remember some things in the past
Uh-huh.
that you might have worn something like that.
With the little woven.
Yeah, yeah.
Normally I don't wear that so much anymore, but I'll try it on and see. Oh, it's a size 7. That might be too small.
They didn't quite have your...
Oh, UK 7? Okay,
Yeah.
it might fit. I'll have to try it on.
Okay.
Who knows, it might be cute. Just a
The,
little
the,
more
the color goes, but it's you know,
Yeah.
again, we don't it doesn't have to be 7 out of 7. We can do 6 out of 7.
Alright, yeah.
Okay?
It's okay. Maybe. We'll see.
Okay, so
I have to try it on.
6 out of 7.
Yeah, or like 6.5.
That's gonna make it difficult here. I can't remember what this is.
Okay. Alright, it is, I don't know what it is. It's a crop top with some.
Oh, okay, yeah, a little crop top. The color looks a little different than what I thought it was. But
Sometimes that happens. Oh, that's cute! Actually, I have something similar, but it's furry.
Oh.
So this is cute. This
and
is
it's
my
your
style.
kind of colors as well,
Yeah.
I guess, yeah?
Yeah, it's like pale pink.
Yeah.
Oh, I like it.
Good, nice bottom. Or like the
I have the little like ruffly kind of bottom.
bottoms, yeah, yeah.
It's cute, and I like the long sleeves too. It's cute. Yay, okay.
Okay, so
Yeah.
so 7 out of 8.
Yeah.
So we must be getting to the last item. What's that on the screen here? Is that the packing? No. No?
It's a face wipe.
Oh yeah, okay, I remember that, yeah.
Yes, okay, good. This is actually a really good brand and everybody really likes it.
Is it? Okay.
Yeah, so you did good.
I thought cucumber would be good too.
Yeah, it's like refreshing.
Yes, it would be, yeah.
Yes, good.
So 8 out of 9.
Yeah.
Okay, so we must have a 10th item there.
Yeah. It was that box.
There's that box.
Yeah.
I'll let your fans see it first.
I saw the corner of the box. I'm like, I want to know what
really?
it is so badly, but I didn't look. Oh my god. It's a sprinkler.
Yes.
Oh my god. The dogs are gonna go crazy.
Well, I think it's for outside.
Yeah.
You put the hose in it, and sprinkles out through the tentacles of the octopus.
Oh my god, and it's like an octopus. That's so cute.
You can use it to entertain the children at their reunion.
Yeah. My children. my furry children.
Hey, look at this. Look at that color.
Oh, it matches me.
Yes, that's right.
But yay, thank you. Oh my god, you did so well. Yay.
And there's hope for us after all.
Mama's gonna be so surprised. Oh my god.
So, don't be afraid to let your Yeti do your shopping for you. Come to my shopping channel.
I'll have his YouTube channel and his Instagram linked in the description box below if you want to go follow him. I know he'd appreciate it. Yes. And thank you guys so much for watching. Oh, Paddington has decided it's playtime.
Yes.
He has his little ball.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, so I am in my bedroom now, going to try on the clothes. And that noise you can hear are my dogs playing together. Ankle you downwards, ignore the pile of clothes, but that is what they're doing. Yes, little Paddington. What are you guys doing? It's there every day. I'm not even kidding. Okay, but first things first, I guess obviously the Tutti Frutti sweater works. Treacle, it's been a couple days actually, and Treacle's gotten a hold of it and pulled out the eye and also ruined the strawberry a little bit, so thank you, Treacle. But I'm going to be giving away one of them because we have duplicates, and I'll keep the ruined one because my dog did that. So it's a size small, no, it's this UK 6, US size 2. I'm usually US size 4 and it's pretty loose on me. I guess first come, first serve is probably the best way of doing it. So if you want this, comment down below, I'll ship it anywhere. So yeah, just let me know if you want this sweater and I'll give it to you. Okay, so next are like the t-shirt sets that my dad got. So this is the black one. You guys have seen me wearing this. I think I wore it in the Watermelon Rice Krispie video. But yeah, so this fits really, really well. I love it for filming because it's like a little more loose, so it's not like too, I don't know, like sexy or whatever. Personal life, I like stuff tight, but when I'm filming, I think like it's better to be a little more conservative. I don't know. Alright, and this is the white one. The bust seems a little bit tighter in the white one. I don't know why. Sorry, I just like grabbed my boobs on camera. But I really like it anyways, and yeah, it seems a bit tighter. Maybe I just stretched the one out. I don't know. But yeah, I like it. Okay, so this is a cardigan. I think it's really cute. It's pretty sheer and the buttons are pulling a little bit. To be completely honest, my bust size has doubled in the last 6 months. I don't know why, nothing else has doubled. But I went to the doctor and the doctor said it's fine. But yeah, so things fit me different than they used to. So it's pulling a little bit, but I think it's cute because it fits everywhere else. So I'm happy with it. But you guys, actually no, I'm scared of like asking you guys what you think if it's like an awful response. I don't know. Oh, and it's cute. So the sleeves kind of split here, which I think is a cute little accent, and it's very, very comfortable and soft. Okay, and so here is the crop top. I'm not gonna show the tank underneath just because I don't know. I'm not confident enough to like show my stomach online yet. Anyways, maybe I'll like get super into fitness and do it one day. But I think it's really cute. It's very, very stretchy and comfortable, and the sleeves and the collar have like a ruffle to them, which I think is cute and like pretty feminine. Normally, I don't wear things that are like super, super girly, like with ruffles and stuff like that, but I do like this, and I have a lot of bandage skirts that I don't have really tops to go with, so this is a really cute crop top that will like kind of dress the skirts down a little bit, because it's a bit more of a casual fabric. But yeah, good job, Dad. Okay, so I would show you more, but I can't. So the check houndstooth pattern skirt is a little tight. I can't do it up, so it seems to be sizing a little small. So I'm usually a size 4, so if you're a size 2, I think that would work. It's not stretchy. If it was stretchy, I think it would definitely fit, but like, no, there's no way it's happening. And I have one to give away, so if you want it, comment down below and the first person to comment gets it. Okay, so this is the orange dress. It's not too short. I don't like it like this. Also, excuse the cleavage. But I think if I built it, it might look a lot cuter, so I'm gonna keep it. It's not love at first sight, but I think this was like a little expensive. More expensive than I thought like he would buy. Like, you don't have to spend this much. It was like $200 for this dress. I'm like, okay, I don't think it's worth 200 bucks. But I also think we passed the deadline for returning something to ASOS. So I'm gonna try to belt it. If I get like, that noise is Treacle. But if I get like a really cute leather belt, it might work. Also, it looks very pretty on camera, much better than in person. So for any like YouTube shoots, this might be a really good dress. So I'm gonna try and make it more my style with like a thick leather belt or something in like a caramelly kind of leather. I think that would be pretty good. So this is the dress. I think it's really, really cute. I love it. It's UK size 8. I'm not UK size 8. I don't know if it's that 4. I don't know. I'm usually UK size 10. And it won't zip up fully in the back. I think it's because of this. So it's not too much extra room. So I'm going to take to my tailor and see what they can do because I think it's really, really pretty. But like, oh my gosh, look how pretty it is. It's so like, oh my god. I'm trying to stand on a beanbag. This is not working. But yeah, I think it's really pretty anyways. What do you think? Stupid back is open. We'll see. Okay, so here are the shoes. They're very big. Like my foot can just slide in and out. And I didn't bother like tying it on my leg because I don't think we need to be able to tell that they're not working. I don't love the shape. I think that it's too chunky for me. I don't like wearing wedges. So this is basically out just because of that. But yeah, these are big. I'm a size 8.5. So if you're like, I think you actually bought size 9. UK 7 or 40 or 9. Okay, so if you're a size 9 and you would like these, comment down below and they are yours. I haven't sweaten them, I promise. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you liked the video. If you guys want to see like more style videos or whatever from me, let me know. I love shopping and buying clothes. I am on a hiatus since I want to save it to buy a condo now, so it's gonna be a long time. But either way, let me know if you want to see those videos, and I hope you guys liked it. And again, yes, make sure that you're the first person to comment if you would like one of the things that I show you. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye!